Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I will show you how to clear voicemail on Samsung Galaxy phone. Yeah, so maybe you just feel like, oh my god, I don't want to see all this voicemail again. I just want to clear that up. I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first step you have to take is you go to your phone settings, right? Sorry, let me close up that app, and yeah, go to your phone settings app just like this, and you scroll down to apps and open that up. Then you need to click on this. As you can see, this your apps, you can see that dot right there, that three horizontal line right there. Click on it and it's going to show you this. So you click on show system apps, turn that on and say okay. Then you scroll down carefully, and what we are searching for is call settings. Click on call settings right there and scroll down to storage, and you need to clear up the cache and the data as well. So once you delete that, all your voicemails will be deleted. Your voicemail are going to be deleted. Sorry. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.